exercise, that is a counting number of the elements in an array or a list. So first method we will see, use according to you, use alien method. Okay, so by using this alien method, how we can identify? So I'm just taking a variable that is a, and it is a list variable. So in this list variable there will be the any elements undoubtedly. So we can also have string elements. Okay, so there will be no problem. So next, I'm just also taking this point. I'm just also taking this value like this one. Okay. Now, if I try to print the such thing, so what will be to be printed over here? We will see. We will see there will be the list to be printed over here. Okay. So if I try to find the length, okay, length of the list. Okay, so length of the list can be identified the variable that is length. So I'm taking the length variable and using this alien method. So if I try to do so, so now what is to be printed by this length method? So let us check one by one. So first see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So by using the alien method we can do, but other than the alien method we have also another method and we can do. Now so far we have seen len method, or we have used len method on the list. Right now check it against with the help of the array. So I'm just making an array is an xyz, this is a variable, and this is a b variable, and that is the array variable, and xyz, through the xyz I can call array method. Here I'm just, and here just I'm making the I. So I is an integer. So in array or list, there's a little bit difference you have to keep in mind. List is an heterogeneous kind of the data type, or which or heterogeneous kind of the nature information will be maintained by the list only. But when talking about the array can store only the homogeneous. So here I'm just storing some information like in this form integer, as I mentioned over here. Okay, and just randomly I have taken over here. Now, if I try to print this V, so what is to be printed over here? Definitely array will be printed over here. And with the help of this print method, I'm using telling, I am just taking the blen. So blen is a variable which define the length of the array. So yes, how we can take? So by using len method, we can take, just we need to pass the variable that is the b. Now, if I try to print blen, so let us check what is to be printed over here and see after executing this part. Now invalid syntax is coming over here. Okay, mistakenly do I. Okay, just let me run this part. See, again we are getting the same thing. So counting of a number of the element in an array or a list, it is also possible by simple using a len method. Yes, tell me any doubt here. So far you have any doubt in this approach? We have just counted the number of the element. Yes, please tell me any doubt. Any student who have any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
good.
sir.
Good.
No.
So, okay. So, thank you. And now, if you want to use other method, that is count method. So, let us check the our counting the number of elements. So, how we can check? So, there is a method which is known as the count method. So, what is the list variable we have? That is a. Okay, a is our list variable. So, how to take the number of the elements? So, x is a variable, and through the a. So, a was the our list variable, and by using this list method, we can use count method. Okay. By this approach, we try to print then x. So, what does it will print? It will print a. It will print, or it will count number of elements from a list. Okay, from a list, means from a variable list. Okay, so this is the point. So if I try to print x, now we know what is a value which is obtained, which is contained by the list, that is a 1 2 3 4 5. So of course we have no problem over here. See, so count takes exactly one argument, that is 0 is given. So here what was the problem over here? Here we need to pass count to some variable. So let us check the 0. So it will print the count 0. And if I try to print this matter, just let me check it is returning or not. Just let me check this one. Okay, sorry, this one. So count takes exactly one argument and given. So it means on the list count method is not working. So count method is basically required to represent the how many times a particular element is contained by. So this count method is not count the number of the element. Count method is what is the purpose of count method? Count method is just or just I'm just typing over here that you can this method is used to count number of occurrences of the element and now if I'm doing so now x is a with count. So in count just let me try to print first just to print a and a is a count. So what I'm just need to count in the count I'm just need to count 54. So how many times 54 is coming? So let me check and just here I just need to print x and see it will not count. This is this one. Yes, one time. So what is the difference between the len and count method? Len and count method difference is we have len method len method len method returns the number of elements while count method count method while count method while count method returns the occurrences of an element. Yes, this is a summary of the these two function using of these two function. Yes, please. Now tell me, any doubt over here? The difference between the len method and count method. Yes, any doubt over here? Please, you can ask me.
No, sir.
So let us try the count method with the help of on the array. So what is the name of the array? So we have seen what is the name of the array, that is p. After p printing we know 4 is coming 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3, sorry, 4 is coming 3 times. You can see over here, just go to the my mouse pointer, then you can see 1 2 3. So 4 is a element of an array which is coming how many times? 3 times. So let us try to print such thing. So I'm taking a y variable, okay, and we use my variable of array using count method b dot which element I just want to print. So 4. So it will count it will count how many times 4 is occurring. 4 is occurring. So let us try to print this y and just see if I'm doing so. So 3 should become, yes, 3 is coming. Now you can see 1 2 3. So there's a difference between the count method and len function. So when you guys try to look the count and len method, then you will see what is the difference between the count method and len method. Yes, please tell me, is it clear to you right now? Yes, please tell me
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt. Yes, this function is clear to you all, the count method and len method, difference between len and count method.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
good, good, good.